What are some common issues that I may face while installing APK files on my Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing some common issues you may encounter while installing APK files on your Samsung Smart TV. APK files are Android application packages that allow you to install apps on your Smart TV. However, there can be a few hiccups along the way. So, let's dive right in.
Unsupported APK versions.
The first issue you might face is related to unsupported APK versions. Your Samsung Smart TV runs on a specific version of the Android operating system, and it might not support all APK files. This can lead to installation errors or the app not functioning properly. It's essential to ensure that the APK file you're trying to install is compatible with your Smart TV's Android version. You can usually find this information in the specifications or user manual of your TV model.
Unknown sources disabled.
Another common issue is that the Unknown Sources option might be disabled on your Samsung Smart TV. This option allows you to install apps from sources other than the official App Store. By default, it is usually disabled for security reasons. To enable it, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Smart TV. 2. Select Security or Privacy, depending on your TV model. 3. Locate the Unknown Sources option and toggle it on. Remember to exercise caution and only install APK files from trusted sources to avoid any potential security risks.
Insufficient storage space.
Running out of storage space is a common issue when installing APK files on any device, including your Samsung Smart TV. If you encounter an error indicating insufficient storage, it means your TV doesn't have enough free space to accommodate the app installation. In such cases, you'll need to free up some storage space by removing unnecessary apps or files.
Incompatible hardware or software.
Sometimes, the APK file you're trying to install might require specific hardware or software features that are not available on your Samsung Smart TV. For instance, certain apps might require a more recent TV model with higher processing power or a particular Android version. Make sure to check the app's system requirements before attempting to install it on your Smart TV to avoid compatibility issues.
Side loading restrictions.
Samsung Smart TVs often have restrictions on side-loading apps, which means installing apps from sources other than the official App Store. While some models allow side-loading without any issues, others may have limitations or even block the installation altogether. This can be a frustrating experience if you're trying to install an APK file that isn't available in the App Store. Check the user manual or online documentation for your specific TV model to determine its side-loading capabilities. That wraps up our discussion on common issues you might encounter while installing APK files on your Samsung Smart TV. Remember to ensure compatibility with your TV's Android version, enable the Unknown Sources option if necessary, check for sufficient storage space, and be aware of any hardware or software limitations. By following these tips, you'll have a smoother installation experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Take care and happy app installation!